What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today we're in Åland, Norway, and I have an Audi e-tron 55 Quattro, and I'm at a Tesla Supercharger. Can I plug in? Can I use it? I know Tesla opened up some of the Superchargers in Norway, but there's some trickery you have to do to use it as a foreigner. So let me show you. So in order to set up my Tesla account to allow non-Tesla supercharging in Norway and whatever other countries they're in at the time you watch this video, currently I believe it's Denmark, Norway, Netherlands, some in France. I could be slightly wrong on that list, but Tesla has a list on their website. But anyway, I'm here for a work trip and I rented an Audi e-tron 55. Awesome car, by the way. And let's see if we can supercharge. One way to find out, I have enough range to make it, and there's some Ionity stations on the other side of the Circle K, and there's some Evany BKK chargers right over there as well, so I won't be stranded if it doesn't work. So let me flip the camera and show you my phone screen. We have an ID3 over there as well. But anyway, here is my Tesla account on my phone. So you go to charge a non-Tesla, or charge your non-Tesla, access the largest global fast charging network. Okay. So we go nearby superchargers open to non-Teslas, so you can see this one, but you can also zoom out and see others if you do search this region. Okay, so it shows a whole bunch. So then now there we go. Åland. And we're on 2A. So I did use my American Express, so hopefully that works. Let's hit start charging. Open the charge port. Open what Bjorn calls the butt plug. So connecting to charger, this may take up to 2 minutes. So I'll set that down. And then let's plug in the car. Maybe that's the right order. This is a V2 station, so we have the DC with Type 2 and we have CCS Type 2. These are very wedged in there. They get stuck, kind of. So there we go, that's plugged in. Let's see if we get a green light here. One way to find out if this works. It's communicating, I think that's what the pulsing means on this one. I heard contactors on the e-tron clicking. And now we're green, so we are charging. Not showing anything on the app, but let's go in the car, I'll show you there. And let's switch this view here. And just like that, we're getting 99 kilowatt, which is maybe a little, oh there, 127. That's what I would expect. We're at about 50% charge. So that is totally normal. So as I showed, we are successfully charging. I want to touch on a couple of the details about this. So supercharging at this particular station without the, I believe, €14.99 or something like that membership that reduces your cost, it's 6.9 NOK per kilowatt hour, which translates to 69 euro cents per kilowatt hour, or I believe 78 US dollar cents. 77 US dollar cents per kilowatt hour. And just for comparison, the Ionity station literally across the parking lot from here is 8.4 NOK per kilowatt hour, or 84 euro cents per kilowatt hour, or I would guess probably like 90 cents US dollars change. Sorry, that's a lot of numbers, so hopefully they're right, or at least close enough. But anyway, you save about 18% charging at the Tesla Supercharger with your non-Tesla without the membership. And if you go on this route kind of between Oslo and Bergen quite a bit in a non-Tesla, you're probably better off getting the membership, and then it reduces your rate even more, and it's way cheaper than Ionity, unless you have a deal when you bought your car with Ionity, which a lot of people do. So I think the point I'm trying to get at is European charging pricing is expensive compared to the US and complicated. So the app did end up updating here, so you can see in the top right we are charging at 127 kilowatt. You can see the total accrued cost 62.1 NOK and 9 kilowatt hour. We're charging on 2A as I already showed. And then logistically, this supercharger is currently empty. It's a 6-stall V2, and I am blocking that stall from being used technically, but I'm not really too concerned with all the charging options here. You can see there's the one ID3 using the 50 to 150 CCS and CHAdeMO. There's another 50 to 150. There's a 50 to 180, 50 to 200, and 50 to 150. And then there's 4 Ionity 350s on the other side of this building here. So, and considering that any Tesla in Europe or Norway can use non-Tesla chargers as well, it's really not a factor. You're not stopping anyone from charging here by using a supercharger. Worst case, someone has to pay a little bit more and has to go to a non-Tesla charging station with their Tesla. But again, not the end of the world. I think this is really cool that you can use the supercharger with a CCS car, because in Europe, Tesla uses CCS Type 2. I guess that leads to the question, what do you guys think about Tesla opening up their supercharger network in North America and just in general? Obviously, there's going to be some additional hurdles they'll have to cross with doing it in North America, like adapters. And conversely, do you want Tesla to release a CCS adapter to use CCS stations with your Tesla? I think that's really important. I think that's a huge lacking thing for Teslas right now, because right now Tesla has a monopoly on fast charging your Tesla in North America. They stopped selling the CHAdeMO adapter, and they don't sell the CCS1 adapter in the US. So if you want a fast charge, you have to either pay way overpriced for a used CHAdeMO adapter or use a supercharger. If you want official options, there is a third-party CCS1 adapter, but it's currently out of stock because they're made in Ukraine and there's currently a war going on there. So it's that, or buy one out of South Korea for, again, way marked up on eBay. So Tesla, why don't you just open up your network with CCS and change all your cars to CCS? That's my thought. Anyway, I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hopefully you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I've got road trips coming with the e-tron. I've got exploring Bergen coming with the e-tron. And this is just the start of my Norwegian videos.